Can we control a UK computer while sitting in Pakistan? The answer is yes, absolutely. So today I'll show you exactly how I work on my UK based client's computer while sitting comfortably at home. Let's start with step 1. First, I take the client's email address and from my own email, I share the required data using Google Drive. It's super easy, just upload the files and share access with their email. That's step 1, file sharing. Now let's move to step 2. How do we actually access that client's computer in the UK? Remember, the client's email, where we just shared the data, is already logged in on their UK computer. But the question is, how do I access that email or computer from here? Simple, we use remote desktop connection. Now I already have the client's login credentials saved securely. So I just open the remote desktop app, click on the saved connection, and boom, it opens a new window and I'm now inside their system. Next, I open Google Drive on their computer and check the shared files. And yes, they are right there. Now I simply download the files and upload them directly to UK based social media platforms or wherever the client needs. So, yes, even if you're sitting far away, you can still work on any computer using remote desktop. It's reliable and super useful. And if you found this video helpful or learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.